I made this lentil quinoa salad for my lunch the other day. I chose lemon mustard dressing to mix with my greens and it was perfect. So let's get into the recipe. First, let's make guacamole. Next, bring your quinoa, lentil, and pea in a bowl and start making dressing. Pour the dressing over the greens and set aside. Chop your greens into a bite size and mix it with guacamole. You can skip this step and just top the guacamole, but I like this way. To assemble, add your greens into a bowl and top with quinoa, lentil, and peas. And that's it! Lentil salad bowl with lemon Dijon dressing. Enjoy and have a delicious day. Bye!